I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves flaps, shuffles, and cramp rolls, and it is perfect for across the floor. I've been trying to come up with new across the floor combinations because dance starts like tomorrow for me. Like the dance year starts tomorrow, so I'm just making a whole lot of across the floor combinations because that's my favorite thing to do in class. I think it's my students' favorite thing to do too. So this is like a Pikachu and a Raichu kind of situation if you follow Pokemon, or like Charmander and Charizard. There's something in between. Charmeleon is in between. So it's like a Charmander and Charmeleon kind of thing because there's only one evolution. So it starts off with like one kind of set of sounds, and then you do like a enhanced version of it after that, where you just add a couple of more sounds. Still the same basic layout, still the same steps-ish, but you're adding more sounds. So we're gonna do it twice one way, and then the adding more sounds way twice. I've had a problem with the English language this whole week. There are reasons, but it's fine. We'll blame it on back to school. But I hope you get what I mean. So we're doing like the A and then the A prime version, okay? So let's go ahead and get started so that I can stop talking. Okay, so it starts with 3 flaps. So flap, 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 and then you finish that little phrase off with shuffle heel. A 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. A 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. Flap, 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 shuffle heel. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. One more time, just to make sure we got that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Your left foot is free. You have flap, shuffle, heel. So 1 flap and a shuffle heel. So instead of 3 flaps, it's now just 1. Same step. Opposite foot, just 1 flap. So let's add that on. Flap, 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 shuffle, heel, flap, shuffle, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. One more time, just to make sure. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6. Brush, step, step, heel, heel. So a brush and then a cramp roll, or a double cramp roll. Flap, step, heel, heel. That's how you finish off that phrase. So let's add it and try the whole phrase. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I didn't tell you we were doing it twice. I did, but I didn't tell you then that we were doing it twice. It's fine. My last tutorial went so well. And here I am. Okay, let's try it twice in a row, just like we accidentally did. We got this. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. So there is a pause after the shuffle heel. Cool? All right, let's do that one more time, and then I'll show you the level up version. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. From there, you move into the level up. Same pattern, almost the same steps. Instead of flaps, you now have flap heel. You have and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. So with the flaps, the downbeat was a 1, a 2. So on 1 and 2, you were stepping in the flaps. Now it's the heel, and a 1 and a 2. So you got to start a little earlier. So you got a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, and a 5 and a 6. So everything's the same, but instead of flaps, it's flap heels. Let's just try that. The 3 and then the 1. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6. You finish it off with a shuffle cramp roll. And a 7. So this one is so even, there's no breaks. There's no pause whatsoever. It's and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6. we try it? All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Awesome. Twice in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Okay, so let's do the first part and the second part back to back, each of them twice in a row, and then I've got music for us to do it too. Ready? All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Not bad. The hardest part, right? A 7 and 8. There's no pause. A 7 and 8 is the end of that first phrase, and then you go into the level up version, and a 1 and a 2 and a right away. So, shall we try it? With music. Whole thing. All right, let's try it with music. I'm not going to do anything right now that says, all right, let's try the left foot. But we will try it after we try this. Oh, should we try it? We should try it without music, right? All right, let's give the left foot a try. I was gonna go easy, and then I was like, nah, we really should try it before I just throw it at you with music, right? All right, left side. So walking through it, and 1 and 2, or sorry, wait, from the top, my bad, I read the wrong thing. So 1, 2, 3, heel. With the left foot. One more time without music. Cool. Left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Now that we've done that, let's do the thing. Right side with music. Right side. A 1, a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7 and 8. Okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shall we try the left side? Cool. Let's do the left side. We got this, y'all. It's so good for across the floor because you just kind of like, it takes you all the way across, then you just turn around and do it on the other side. It's amazing. Ready, left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you end up taking it to your classes, if you're a teacher, let me know if your students love it. I absolutely love stuff like this. We usually start across the floor with a FLAP combination just to like really start getting our ankles warm. And this is one of my favorites because it really does get the ankles warm because you're just kind of like, you really got to think of making that nice and even, and that warms up that tiny little muscle that's right there that will get so sore if you don't warm it up properly. So yeah, if you end up taking this to class, just let me know. And hopefully you had a blast learning this today. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We've got technique exercises like this, choreography tutorials where you can dance to a song, and that's like a popular song, and step tutorials where you just learn a step, and that list is usually down below in all of my descriptions in case like you're watching a video and you're like, wait, I don't know that step. Chances are that playlist is down below in the description. So check that out, and don't forget to subscribe for also the fact that we have vlogs and challenges and all kinds of stuff on this channel. It's all free, it's all tap, and it's all for you. So I hope you guys take advantage of this free tap resource. I love being your tap teacher on YouTube. It just makes me really happy. And yeah, also while you're at that subscribe button, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button because it really helps the algorithm when it comes to tap dance. So thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.